Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall.
Oh, dit is nou lekker, né?
I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss it. That just knock it out.
Ang man mo sa tol gebruik al.
Wat jy nou is wyter aan dan.
Oh, wag, is er 'n skaam vir my? O, is er dieselfde pad is?
I just want my privacy.
Oh, wag. Jy wil geen ander pad hê. Dit is nou laat doen.
Now what, Niran, and if I want to, I can do it. And it will be my choice what I want to do with my body. And it won't affect you.
Maar relax. Jy vra my net in respek en dissipline. Maar
Okay, well, you have your answer.
ek moet nog sê iets hè. Dit gaan lekker holletjies.
Now why are you looking there? Wat selfbelang.
Ja, ek moet so gemeen, joh. Jy moet alles bannerig maak. Yes.
Ja, die lustig was altyd so uit.
Nee, los my, ek moet pie in nou.